UMLA ke Jowai constituency ba wailat miki haka sauterik naitung ula penkop buram miki samla bapas baha haka free coaching program arhajar arpuar kabala kershan pisa dama uhi kabadai tang naga pentaki khun samla ka second Jowai constituency haka jingelang penkop buram bala penlong ha Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai harengkar ka jingadon lang ka APCM DSEO ka West Jantia Hills ki MDC ka JHEDC ki samla puli kinong hikai 4 kilong kumilong kapa. Yakani ka free coaching program lapan long house nam arhajar arpuar na kabanta ikibanya khun ya ka exam Sslc hadin bagi khna kila shakta na ka jingwan ka kham COVID-19 khamtam ki khna class 8 hadu class 10 hakabaya de baka subject maths but science hakani ka sngi lapan ku buramru ya ka Larissa lamin basyong basa hakli tersi halor ka jingyo first position jangka haka result HSLC arts pat kala ai khublai ru ya baro ki bala kersha pat kit pocket ruang na lor ba ka kuntu ya baro abandon ya ka thong khlam randin harangkat ka jingshania haublai.
To be standing here today and offering a speech on this auspicious occasion, I would also like to take this opportunity to first of all thank God for all the blessings that He has showered upon me and my family, and secondly my teachers, the school, my relatives, friends for their unwavering support, their love, and their encouragements. It is their guidance and mentorship that had made it possible for me to be here where I am today. I would also like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all my bandmates who have made it this far, and I would like to wish all of you the very best for your future endeavors as you go forward for your further studies. And last but not the least, to every one of you seated here, I would like to urge each and every one of you to work hard, strive towards your goal, have confidence in yourself, believe in yourself that you can do it. Because first of all, if you don't believe in yourself, then who will, right? And also, always put God first in whatever you do, because without Him, I don't think you will be able to do it. And also, it will not be a smooth journey. There will be many ups and downs along the ways. You will face many struggles, obstacles, and temptations, but please do not give up. Giving up should never be an option in your life. Continue soaring higher and higher. Do your best, give it your all. And please remember to always put God first in everything that you do. If you ever find yourself in a position where you feel like giving up, where things get hard, just take a deep breath, turn to God, and pray. Just like God has promised each and every one of us that He will always be there with us in any circumstances. Just do your part, work hard, pray, and put all your worries and fears, and God will handle the rest. I'm wishing all of you the very best in everything that you do, your future and your studies, in whatever decisions that you make. Remember that God helped those who help themselves, and that at the end of the day, you reap what you sow.
Ka APCM habakren kalapan pau ka jingkemen bandan benta hakum kani ka jingelang banding kongdu ha ka distrik par kadap ru da ka jing snokmen bantep ba UMLA Jowai upen long kum kani ka jing ai jing hikai yaki bawan na ka longyeng ka baduna ka yo ka kot shu ka ongba ka maths par ka science ki de ki subject ba e bhai yaki khna amtang hapo ka distrik hendrai ha ka jalahi baro ka we.
Aliasa, we know that maths and science is one of the weak subjects that the students faced, not only in a district, but in the state as a whole. But I do feel proud as the district education officer. I feel proud because why? Every year, the pass percentage in the board exams, district-wise, Jantia Hills always top. So as an officer, I feel very proud to be a part of the district, that our students, our children, they do very well in their board exams. And with this kind of coaching, with this kind of program that we have, I believe from now onwards, we will raise more stars who will not only have, not only a few of them will have position holders or rank holders or distinctions, but many, many more will come up from the district to have and to hold their positions in the board exams, both in the SSLC and the HSSLC, in all the streams, be it commerce, be it arts, or be it science. So, at this point of time, I would like to encourage all the students who are present here, and please carry this message to all the students, that this day is a memorable day in your life. Had this program not been there, we would not be present today, and we will not be celebrating your achievements in the district. So once again, I congratulate all the rank holders, all the distinction holders in the various subjects, both in the SSLC and the HSSLC examination that we just had in 2023. Congratulations once again to all of you. And remember that this is the first step. You have achieved one milestone in your life. Now you have to move forward. You have to face, as one of the students have said, we have to face many more difficulties in life. Take it as a challenge, because life itself is a challenge. Every one of us will face challenges in our lives, especially for you young students. This is the starting point of your life, where you have to achieve your goals, be it academically, be it morally, be it in any walk of life. This is your starting point. And remember, since you have received these achievements, please do not throw them away. These are precious jewels that you have achieved, and you keep on collecting them in your life. Don't be satisfied with what you have received today, with what you got today, but keep on pursuing for more and more, so that you will be a light, not only to yourself, not only to your family, but you will be a light to the community, the state, and the nation as a whole.
Nakaliang uba wailat miki udap da kajing kemen namar bun ki samla puli bala pas bahaleng ba kaslam ajing hikai ba ningkong du ujung u baru ai kublei ru ikinong hikai ki bala tre shitom. Uya thu ru ba hadu prapo persen na ki samla ba sha hikai ki bala pas na kani ka program. Hagaju kapor upen bena bakane kaslam ajing hikai jung u kandang yai beteng kat ba udang long MLA berkularu panang ni syakmat ladadan ki ba yo top 20 haka SSLC bat HSSLC napo ka Jowai constituency unsa ai buro meki da ka laptop bat lada kitu ki baladan dupa ka laptop en ai no da kapisa
ni ga thong yong i to mainly hi nto kamong ni yo wanra i toppers ni ba snya tho nto usuk kamong mai lat ni to ka thong number 1 ga yong to ka kamon pun ka chiang i pas nya ko men optip dan nakiniki coordinator yong i wasnya ko men optip wa hadin bon nagi khna ko ai tu por chwa lai gi chi coaching hey por selection bon you will fail ye ka maths and science dan tu le dan khanao mai la dina wat tu tu kalam ha chwa wan wo ye ni le u even the sar su chiang o le fail ga selection ka maths hey por selection ka kam jing tip yong ha bas nya ku men ni manap po ye nu he ni kam nong yo extension yong ka maths nga e gi ro ko pro ni nong kai ku long oh mem yo i wan na ka ka toparan tanas nyawa dang palat chuchu i ka toparan ko de ye ku long ka om sina ka bari ku im yo de ya depan pas yo de pel to ka mu so tanga e gi jing ro ko kru ye ki no hikai but e ku play le ya ki man be ki man pa ku e gi jing chania ku da pa ki kon ki ti ki yong ki wan chi free coaching but e ku play le ku lum ya waron ni ki ni kilok pijor do em lang ini snya ko men lang jing em belang de yong pi da ba de jing snya mo e pi ne ba ni nga na perkhat do mem win wai do mem put special invitee so ye won put e gam tu te yo ma boy la ni program ini la MP no one snya do man sil me Henry ke jing em go yong pi em sen pi nga em sen pi bat pen man we nga perkhat to ni jing le de nga to ko pha ko da em ka mo continue cho ha ke ni kisnem bu da wan but mi yo ling boy pun tu perkhat ai tu por wa ka man ni ga free coaching nem ta ka step ni le boy ki jing mut jing perkhat ni ga ter nen boy ni ba ni ki bu kat ni la pai bon ku trium to ni man boy mitrik Henry na do class 4 plus 5 tu stang la tuition Henry nga kan mo he por yung nga kamu bru wan na long yung udo nga kan mo he por chong class 4 por wa kamu ju khanao to nga man chwa ju ri men nga cao plai school ka to no hikai te em mi nong ya hikai nga em gi wa ông bakam kerja tuition nga teman na mo chong ga men liwan na siyo kan hayung mo to men start natip ka ông go piyu yang nga kan hay ni hayung men start natip men matip me ya hikai ko de plai tuition ni plai tuition ni nga kan mo hay ti por prap how to ka chi nai ba te kan mo wa do kat ni wa hay ti por tuition na pha lai tam me bio su ba tuition me bio su ba tuition but hado ne ga si la ka te ka ba tuition yang te ka rupa bio ka su Snya udah berapa ya? Ten betan poran sedang ada di por kenmo ya la nak pat yung te no hikai yu na na jengat ke yo nga. Ta udah ka mon mio. Tesnya wan ne ga ski de wale e ga program free coaching. Han lam yo de su mat in lai ne sarok de risu le pra pa ka. Tang snya wa dan de wale e ga free tuition. Chi benta snya ka de yo su liang. Ye ka te ye ka tu ga pra pa ka. Kom e mo yo usu la di por. Kata to thong yang ngapa kado dan hado kat ni le em bai ki be pa you were changing it upha like you should be continue dah kata ka motif dah kata ka thong dem ni tes dang ni free coaching te dah bodo ka jing snya komen go kru wat ka jing sedang dan man go jing sedang le kat ni teman go jo tengah snya komen no bat heju ipor le I kubleyo ya gitu ki rank holder hanum to ki wa wan ne ki free coaching di yong ile nga I kublay gitu ki rank holder ki yong I ki wana wan na po constituency I kublay ki bat yulu ti yong nang ya kre chtom ki hagi ni sni ko na wan